Hi everyone, today's tutorial is a little crochet flower charm. I made this one for my journal that I made for myself, but you can also make this for your journal or your bag or anything you want to make look a little more special. It's simple, it's cute, and it's perfect for beginners. So let's get started. For this project you will need a 3.5mm hook, 2 colors of medium weight yarn, a tapestry needle, stitch markers, and a pair of scissors. We start by making a magic ring. I make a loop inside my hook into the loop, then yarn over and pull the yarn through the loop. Now we are going to make single crochets around this magic ring. So insert your hook, yarn over and pull up a loop. You will have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over again and pull through both loops. That is our first single crochet. So we are going to mark it with a stitch marker. Now make 5 more single crochets the same way around the magic ring for a total of 6 single crochets. After you are done, gently pull the short yarn tail to close the magic ring. Then remove your stitch marker. Now we are going to make a slip stitch. Insert your hook into that first stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop. You will have 2 loops on your hook. This time pull the first loop through the second loop. Now we are going to make our petals. Start by chaining 2. Yarn over and insert your hook into the first stitch. Pull up a loop. Yarn over again. Insert your hook into the same stitch and pull up another loop. You are going to repeat this 4 more times. So you will have done this a total of 6 times all into the same space. So after you are done, yarn over and pull through all the loops on your hook. Then yarn over and make chain 1. Now make 2 more chains. So that's 3 chains in total. Insert your hook back into the same space and make a slip stitch. And then finish our first petal. To make the second petal, start by making chain 2. Then yarn over and pull up a loop 6 times into the same space in the next stitch. Yarn over and pull through all the loops on your hook. Make chain 3. And then slip stitch into the same space. So continue making petals in each stitch around. When you are finished, you will have 6 petals in total. After you are done, cut your yarn leaving a tail. Now we are going to embroider the middle of the flower using our second color. After you are done, hide all your ends and cut the tails. Now the flower is finished. Now take the same yarn and make 8 or 10 chain stitches. Cut the yarn leaving a little tail. And then attach it from the wrong side of the flower just like this. Now it's all finished. You can hang this on your travel journal just like I did, or on anything you want just to add a little love. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll meet you again next week.